Hi everyone, today in this video I'll show you how you can fix this error while trying to extract files from an encrypted folder. So let's get started. To begin with, simply open your browser and search for 7-zip. From the search results, go to its web page. Now you need to download either 64-bit or 32-bit file. To see your system architecture, simply type system information. Under system type, you will see whether your PC is 64-bit or 32-bit. So based on that, download the file. After the downloading is complete, simply right-click over the file and run it as administrator and install the file. Now close everything. Head over to your file and right-click over it. You'll get a 7-zip option. Select it and select extract here. Simply enter the password for your file and click on OK. That's it. This time you won't get any error. So thanks for watching. Please feel free to subscribe and support the channel if you found the content helpful. Thank you.